You didn't cut one.
And we're on the Sky Train. Oh.
Hey, tell me.
Oh yeah.
My name is Conway.
I'm William.
Rush.
William Rush. And I think my partner forgot his name. So we'll call him.
My name is Elizabeth Conway.
We'll call him Forgot.
I am Isaac. Yeah.
We'll call him Forgot. He's Forgot because we forgot his name. Anyways, we're on the Sky Train. Nope, not yet. Stop.
Stop.
We're at Scott. He's getting chased by zombies.
No? They're all around us. Blood.
And there's blood there if you can't see it.
Right there. Right there. It's a stain. Right there. Look at that room.
We don't know what's going on. We're stranded.
I'm
on
going
the Sky Train.
You're allowed to come to my funeral, okay? Me too. Yeah, you're all of you guys.
Going to the
Miss Conway. Elizabeth Conway. Trying to find a song here.
Oh wait, don't